channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing amazing, sending positive vibes like always. So today I did some damage at Ulta and I am really excited to show you what I got. So let's get into it. Before I show you all of the goodness that's in this video, I do want to mention something to you guys. I don't think you guys will mind, but I do want to point it out before somebody says it in the comments. This video was recorded 2 separate days. So yesterday, the first part was recorded, and then today, the rest of the video was recorded. So yeah, that's why you're going to be seeing me in 2 different locations and like dressed differently, my bad. So I hope you guys don't mind. So now let's get on with the video. I promise it's a good one. So now onto the haul. I do have a little bit of everything, so I'm just gonna start pulling stuff out. So this first one is from Estee Lauder. It's the Radiant Skin Repair and Renew. So it has 3 products. It has the Night Repair, the Night Repair for Eyes, and Revitalizing Supreme Plus. So let me show you what they look like. To me, Estee Lauder's any product that you get from them is so elegant, and I love that. So this one is a Night Repair for your eyes. Let me open it just in case if you're interested to see how it actually looks inside. Oh, that is thick. Okay, let me show you. That is thick. It literally moved like if it was like a gel. Oh yeah, you can see. That feels really good. Yeah, that's really nice. I feel like I'm really gonna like that. And then the second product is the Night Repair. This is a pretty good size, to be honest, and I love how elegant it looks. You guys know that I love skincare. I'm a skincare freak. I'm a skincare junkie. I am actually getting more skincare now than makeup. That's why I haven't been really posting up makeup tutorials. I'm really sorry about that, but I just can't help it. I've been taking so much care of my skin, because to me, if your skin doesn't look amazing, your makeup won't look good, you know? And then this is the Revitalizing Supreme Plus. And that's what she looks like. It's a little, it's like a soft peach pink color. Oh, that smells really good. So I cannot wait to use this. If you guys want to see like a skincare routine, I am so down to put it up for you guys. Just let me know. If you want to see any of these products, how they work, let me know. I'm always here to help, guys. Don't forget that. Moving on. I got a brush from IT Cosmetics. This is their Airbrush buffing brush. It's the number 110, and that's what she looks like. I've heard really good things about IT Cosmetics brushes. I don't own any, but I cannot wait to try this out. I've heard nothing but really good things, and the reviews on this brush is really good, so I cannot wait to try that. Next, I got another brush. This is the anti-aging infused brush hair. No, this is number 77. It's a special edition Airbrush full coverage complexion brush. It's infused with anti-aging properties. Oh my god. So actually the top is kind of in a triangle form. It has peptides and collagen, which is so cool. I've never heard about that in a brush. So I'm really excited to actually see what it looks like in person. I actually ordered this one online. So that's what she looks like. Oh, this feels really good. It's super, super soft. I cannot wait to try this. If you guys want to see how it works, let me know like I just said. Okay, next. So this Fit Me powder, I always see people raving about them, and they actually have no flashback. So I'm like, you know what? Let me try it out. If you don't like it, obviously you're able to return it, which is really cool. So I got the Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in 05, which is fair. And I cannot wait to try this. Actually, one of my good friends, she swears by these, and she actually does makeup. So I cannot wait to see how I like it. I trust her, so I got another one. I got number 20, which is light medium. And that is what she looks like. It's more yellow. So you can see, and the thing, at least for me, I thought about getting a darker one and a lighter one because I'm able to mix them and get them and get an in-between shade. So that's really cool. These were like $6, $5-6, which is super inexpensive if you really think about it. Next, I got these lashes. When I tell you that these are some of my favorite lashes, these truly are. They're from their brand Kiss, and these are the Luxtension collection in the I was gonna say in the shade. Oh my god. Okay, this is the style cashmere. This is so beautiful, fluffy. I like to oh my god, I like to brush them out even more. So that is super pretty, at least to me. I love a lash like this. I actually, my first couple videos, I used to wear a lot of the Kiss lashes, and still to this day, I still like to buy them. So they're super pretty, and again, inexpensive. And I also got this lash from Kiss, Lash Couture foaming collection in the style Gala. And this one is beautiful as well. There's a big difference, if you can see. And I like both. They're stunning. So I cannot wait to use those. Next, okay, so this product, I'm really excited about it. Actually, I wanted to get this product in December, but when I went to go look at it in person, they didn't have any, because apparently this sells out really quick. At least that's what I was told. It's the Kiss Foscara lash extension effect. It secures Foscara wispies up to 10 days, just like lash extensions. Oh my god, like I'm having my coffee and I feel like that's what's making me like stutter so much. I'm sorry. This is called the Overnighter. I cannot wait to use this. I'm really excited to use this. I really hope that it works, and I will let you know what I think about it. Next, I got two of these. These are the Coast RX. I'm probably butchering the name. It's the Advanced Snail 96 Mousse and Power Essence. I've heard great things about this, and like I said, I trust my friend. She says she loves it and she swears by it. So I'm like, you know what, if you like it, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like it. And it looks like this. I cannot wait to use this. Like I said, I bought two. We have similar skin, and we tend to like the same thing. So that's why I got two of these. Here's the other one. And then I got this from Benefit. It's the Professional Super Setter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. So I have been using this for a while. I actually bought the small one first to try it out, and I love that thing. Like, I don't have a lot of pores, they're not huge or anything, but the way it makes my makeup look is amazing. This makes it last all day too. So I had to get a big one. This is actually from my kit, and I am obsessed with this stuff. It's so good. And I also use it like a refresher for my makeup, so I'm obsessed with it, and I cannot wait to have it in my kit. This next product is from Urban Decay. It's the Stay Naked Hydromaniac Tinted Glow Hydrator. It's in the tone 30 Light. And the reviews on this were really good. So I'm like, you know what? Let me try it. And that's what she looks like. It's so pretty. Again, if you guys want to see this in action, let me know. It's supposed to be 24-hour hydration, 24-hour glow, 24-hour wear. It has kombucha and marula oil. So again, I cannot wait to use this. I just can't, to be honest. Next, I have this Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation in the tone 228. I was running low for my kit, so I got another one. This is really good. It stays on really nicely, and I am obsessed with that one. Whether it's that one or the L'Oreal Infallible, it looks amazing on the skin. Then I got this kit adhesive latex free glue. This is really good. It has gone viral many times, and it's a really good glue. I was just running low for my kit. And then I got this black opal true color stick. So I like to use these for contour. This is in the tone Warm Almond, and I don't want to open it and like touch it, but that's the color right there. It's a really pretty color. It's not too pink or too yellow. I really like it. And the lasting power on those are really, really good. If you guys haven't tried it, I really suggest that you do. I have a foundation from Juvia's Place. It's the I Am Magic Velvety Matte Foundation in the tone Malta 640. And this foundation is like extreme coverage. Like, this is amazing. It is so beautiful. I got this from my kit, so it's not, obviously it's closed. I actually have another color. I forgot which one it is. It's in my room. But when I tell you that this looks flawless and amazing on the skin, I was blown away. So little by little, I am buying colors on this from this foundation, and I want to have almost all of them because they're super, super pretty. And then I got two concealers from Juvia's Place. This first one is the Magic Concealer in 9, and then this other one is number 12. Again, if you guys have not used these concealers, you are seriously missing out. Like, they are so beautiful, creamy, like full coverage. A little goes a long way, and I'm so happy that I have these in my kit. So this one is more yellow. This one I feel like is more neutral. And they're so, so beautiful. And I love the component. It's huge. And this is what the wand looks like. It's huge. I love this kind of wand. And again, I cannot wait to put these to use. Super, super pretty colors. Last but not least, I got this Essence Lash Princess waterproof mascara. So my sister threw this in my bag. I'm not sure if it came in a set or if this was separate, but she's like, here, this is for you. So I got it. And I know I have one of these, but I have not used it. So I cannot wait to use it. I love the smell of mascara. I know that's weird. A lot of people are like, why do you smell them? I'm like, I just can't help it. I like the smell. And then I got these, like these samples. Because I believe that's all. Yeah. So I got these samples. This, well, they're all the same, duh. They're from Garnier Green Labs Line Smoothing Serum Cream. It's a night cream plus a serum and a eye cream. So it has retinol and berry. Fine lines and an even texture. So I'm gonna try it out to see how it works, and I will let you guys know on my TikTok. These are so cute. These are lip balms from, I don't even know the brand, Rebels Refinery. So this one is a natural lip balm straight strawberry mango, and it's so adorable. And then this other one is summer citrus. So I got these two. So I have these 3 lip liners. The first one is, you know what, these are all from Essence. The first color is, let me get the name, Legendary 05, which is this one. The second one is Legendary 05. Did I get 2 of the same ones? Yes, apparently I did. And then this other one is Happy. So I got 3. I didn't even notice I got 2 of the same ones, but that is fine. I'll have one for myself and one for my kit. So that's perfect for me. And then Essence, I feel like people don't talk enough about Essence. Essence is a really good brand. It's inexpensive and it's really nice. Like, I have a lot of stuff from Essence, and almost everything that I've bought, it's all in my makeup kit, and I just love their formula. And that is inexpensive, like I said. Like, you know, you can't really go wrong with Essence. So moving on, I have these 2 products from Essence. Like I said, I love Essence. This is the Lash and Brow Gel Mascara. So for me, I don't know if I've talked about this. I'm pretty sure I have. When I have a super light something on my face, whether it's just mascara and eyebrows and a glossy lip, or it's just concealer, lashes, eyebrows, and a lip, and I don't have foundation on, I like to do something super soft like this. And this stuff is really good if you want something soft, like I said, if you don't mind your eyebrows moving and anything like that. So yeah, I got this. I totally forgot that I actually loved this, but I'm really happy that I have it. And then this is also from Essence, and it's called I Heart Extreme. It's a volume mascara. It's waterproof. This stuff is good, even though I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys, I don't really like brushes like this, but this one is not bad. I do wash a mascara wand from a certain mascara that I really like, and if I don't like the wand, I'll give it a second chance because of the formula. I use that wand with this, and it's really good. I got 3 NYX lip glosses. If you guys haven't tried these, I really suggest that you do. They're super beautiful, and they just, I personally like the smell. I don't know if you guys do. This first color is called Bite of Honey. It's from the NYX Butter Glosses. This next one is called Madeline, and it's more of a nude. And then this last one is called Sugar High. So if we really want to put them in order, this one is the darkest, this one is in between, and then this one is more nude. I really like these. If you guys haven't tried this, I'm pretty sure almost everybody has. I really highly suggest that you guys do because they're so beautiful and they last a really long time on the lips. Okay, so I love the look of white toes. Like, it's so classy to me and elegant, either white or black. I just love those colors on my toes and I had to get one. So I got this one from Sally Hansen. It's called the Miracle Gel. And I think it's from the Disney collection because it's called Cruella. And if anybody's interested, it's $7.89. Get mad. So I'm super excited to use this. Next, okay, this product is going viral. I don't know if it's actually new, but I saw it. I saw Michaela using it, and then I saw this other girl. I don't remember her name. I'm gonna try to look for her and I'll leave it in the description box below if anybody's interested. It's from Keys Soul Care, from Alicia Keys' line, and it's called Let Me Glow Illuminating Serum. This, baby, I already know I'm gonna love this. I already know it because I saw how Michaela's face looked, and you guys know I love dewy skin. I love satin finishes. I like to look dewy like you're seeing right now. I actually don't have any lighting. I just have my window open, so this is how my face actually looks in person if you actually see me. But yes, I cannot wait to use this. If you guys want to see a video, let me know. I'm so down to make videos using these products, and I'm gonna show it to you just in case if you have never seen this before. So to me, her stuff is super elegant, which I really love. And it's like this. It's glass, like super cute. This was 28 bucks and you get a glass bottle, like what? And then that's how the top looks. And then we have a pump, which I love because it's super sanitary. So yeah, if I like this, baby, this is going in my kit, okay? I can't stop saying that, by the way, baby. It's something that me and my sister say a lot. So if I get annoying, I'm really sorry. But I cannot wait to try this. I really hope I like it. I really hope so. And that is it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed, and don't forget to like the video if you like hauls. I have so many hauls coming up. I know a lot of you guys enjoy them and I know a lot of you guys don't, but I do want to post things that I really love, and I truly love uploading hauls for you guys. I love watching them. They're so entertaining to me, and that way I get to know about new products. I don't know about you guys. So thank you once again, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.
You want it, I could be